Assalamualaikum everyone. In today's video, we are going to discuss a topic which is called as efflorescence. Okay, so this is very important topic and it is came in various papers on the past paper. So let's start and the today's lecture. So auzubillahi minash-shaytanir-rajim. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Before we are going to start our lecture, I request you to please subscribe to my channel, like my videos, and also press the bell icon to get the notification of all the videos. So thank you very much for subscribing to my channel, for liking my videos. Now let's start the lecture. So first of all, we are going to give the short introduction that what is the efflorescence. So actually efflorescence is a process in which you are losing your water of crystals. Okay, what is mean by the water of crystals? Actually some crystals are present which contain water in it. What are the example of these crystals? For example, Na2SO4, okay, CuSO4. All these type of crystals, they contain some amount of water. For example, if I say to you Na2SO4, it contains 10 molecules of water in its structure. And if I say copper sulfate, so it contains 5 molecules of water. So every crystal have different amount of water of crystallization in it. But in the process of efflorescence, what you have to do, you have to lose it. You have to take out, you have to remove this water of crystallization which is present in your what, in your crystal. Means you are removing the 10 water molecules from Na2SO4. You are losing, you are removing 5 water molecules from copper sulfate. So this process is called as efflorescence. You are taking water out of a hydrated salt and then convert this hydrated salt containing water into the amorphous substance. The word amorphous, the spelling of amorphous is like that: amor ORPHOUS. So this amorphous substance mean no water. So it is completely dry, it has no water in it. So you are converting your hydrated compound into the amorphous substance, okay, by losing water. So now the substance is giving up its water, and this process is called as efflorescence. The loss of water crystallization from a hydrated crystalline substance with the water of crystallization to convert into the hydrated anhydrous salt. So what are hydrates? Okay, what are the hydrated salt? So as the name indicate, hydrated means containing water. These are the solid which contain water molecules in them, so therefore they are called as water of hydration. So the combination of water molecules with these molecules of a compound result in a hydrate. For example is given here, just copper sulfate, Na2SO4, MgSO4, FeSO4, all of them contain some water molecules in them. So now in the process of efflorescence, you are taking out 5 molecules out from the copper sulfate. So what with the principle of this efflorescence? So what is the principle is that actually you see a hydrated substance. So hydration means it has water. So if it has water, so always you know that due to water it contain water vapors in it, and the pressure which is created by the vapors is called as vapor pressure. So it means the hydrated substance has some vapor pressure of it. So whenever the vapor pressure of this salt become greater than the pressure which is exerted by your what atmospheric water vapors, then the process of efflorescence will going to occur, and then the water loses. So it doesn't happen that a sudden efflorescence happen and the water is begin to lose. No, actually it is a detailed process in which what you have to do, whenever the vapor pressure of hydrated salt become increased than the anhydrous substance, then the process of efflorescence is going to occur. Now some examples are given here. For example, the vapor pressure of washing soda, which is Na2SO4 dot 10H2O. So it composed of 10 water molecules. Now what you have to do, as this water vapor increases, then the efflorescence occur, and this 10 water molecules will going to lose. Now in case of copric sulfate, CuSO4 dot 5H2O, so it also undergo the efflorescence and decrease the water. So first it is going to convert from 5 hydrogen, it is going to convert into the 3 hydrogen. Mean first it loses the 2 molecules of water and then convert into 3 water molecules. Then from 3 water molecule it again convert into the 1 water molecule. Now it again loses 2 more molecules of water. So as it is losing 2 more molecules of water and it converting in your anhydrous substance. So it is very useful, and to mention another example, which is FeSO4. It composed of 7 water molecules. Okay, so it easily lose 6 water of molecules, but when it is going to lose its 7th water molecule, it decompose. So it cannot lose its 7 molecules. Okay, so there are some substances which can decompose due to high heat, due to high temperature. So FeSO4 is a compound which get decomposed before losing its all of the water. Now we see a less application of this process. So hydrated drugs are less potent. Okay, they are less useful because you know that the hydration hydrolysis can occur in the drugs, and then it can make the drug more unstable. So you have to make more and more stable drugs. So to make stable drugs you have to convert them into anhydrous substance having no water in them. Second is that anhydrous substance is easy to handle during the manufacture process than the hydrated substance. You know that the hydrated substance is a watery nature, so it is very difficult to convert this hydrated liquid like thing into a solid drug like form. Okay, solid tablet like form. So you have to take a powdery form and an amorphous form to make the drug easily, or to make the tablet easily. So what are the precautions for it? So precaution is that the container must prevent the loss of water and the storage in the cold place so that the temperature can affect it. So you have to keep the temperature constant. So these are the precautions of this process. So I hope that you will understand this process, and I have explained this whole topic in detail, and I think nothing is no concept is left, and I think all the concepts should be clear in your mind. But if you have some question remains, then you can ask me in the comment section so that I could easily answer to you, and you will clear your concept from myself. So thanks again for watching this video till the end, and I hope that कि आपने you have subscribed to my channel, like my videos, and you have pressed my bell icon. So thanks again for watching this video. Take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.